I am back with another video. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are already a subscriber, smash that like button, leave a comment, share this video. In this video, I'm going to be making caramel apple Jello-Shots. Woo woo! Now these Jello-Shots are perfect for any party. Of course, you need to keep them away for the children. Get-togethers, especially during COVID-19, you might need to throw a few back. But let's get started and stay tuned if you want to learn how to make some Jello-Shots. What's up, guys? So like I said, I'm going to be doing some caramel apple Jello-Shots. Hope you guys like that new intro. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. So for this video, you are going to need these ingredients. Okay, so we have, of course, a measuring cup. And I bought these off Amazon. It comes with 200 of the containers for the Jello-Shots. This is the caramel. I like the Smucker's. It's a caramel syrup. And of course, you need some. Of course, you could get any kind of alcohol you want, but I thought it was great to have, because it's apple Ciroc. Great. And then this is the reason it took so long for me to do this video is because I could not find the green apple flavor Jello, but I finally found it. So I got these two. They're in green apple, and you pretty much make it just like it's Jello. Okay, so here we have boiling water, but it's only supposed to be two cups of boiling water. So I'm going to pour this in here and make sure we have 2 cups. Okay, that's 2 cups. And then we'll take it back over here. And what you want to do here is, really should have mix this in here. I don't know why I have 2. I might be able to do. So what you want to do here is mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. I actually think that I might just use 1 for now. If you want to do virgin ones, you would do 2 cups of cold water. But because I'm doing alcohol, I'm going to do 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of the Ciroc vodka. So now I'm going to add a cup of cold water. And then the last cup is going to be of the Ciroc. I'm sorry, guys. Let me get this opened. If you want to do virgin ones, you would do 2 cups of cold water. But because I'm doing alcohol, I'm going to do 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of the Ciroc vodka. So now I'm going to add a cup of cold water. And then the last cup is going to be of the Ciroc. I'm sorry, guys. Let me get this open. Okay, now that I got it open, I will put the last cup of vodka. I think this is vodka. Anyways, the Ciroc vodka. Yes. I don't know what I was thinking, but so we have that cup, and then we just keep mixing. And then, don't mind my mess. And now this is where we put them in the shot cups. And you got to be very careful with this. So we just fill these all up. I'm not gonna bore you guys with this. What's up, guys? So it's Barbie and I'm back. So it's been about 5 hours and the Jello, as you can see, is completely done. And now what I'm doing is taking off the lid so that I could add the caramel. So that you guys can see. It smells so good, it's crazy. I've been wanting to do these for a while. And for some reason, these, the green apple, it's hard to find. But I'm super excited. If you guys make these, let me know. Leave a comment, tell me how they were, how your guests like them. There's tons of ways that you could do the caramel apple. Some people I've seen that did it like in a apple slice. But I find that these are the easiest, more convenient way to do them. So yeah, I will show you guys in just a moment. I guess I'll just start. So now this is where you use your caramel. And of course you could get whatever brand you want. But it's pretty simple. Once it's all done, you just put the caramel on there and you close it up. And of course you can put it back in the refrigerator until your party. Put it over ice when it is time for a party. You don't ever want to leave the Jello-Shots out, especially in the heat, because they'll pretty much turn back into liquid. I learned that the hard way. So if you're doing it for a party, just make sure you put these over ice, like fill a bowl of ice, and just put them on top of the ice. But yeah, that's pretty much how simple this is. It's very, very delicious. Absolutely amazing. So we are now complete. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to actually try one just to see my thoughts. Wow. I had to clean it out for you. Delicious. Wow. And to be honest with you, this is actually my first time trying my own. I've had them before, but I've never made them, and I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys make them, let me know what you think. Leave a comment if you had them before. So yeah, this is my caramel apple Jello-Shots, and if you enjoyed this video, keep watching because my next video I'm going to do the caramel apple Hennessy frozen drink. I've heard a lot of things about this drink, and I'm also getting requests on that. I do have some videos coming up in mind. I'm getting a lot of requests on the Jelly Rancher drinks, which I made them several times. I just never recorded it. So those are my next drinks coming up. So again, if you're not subscribed, please, please, please go and hit that subscribe button, share my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.